Mission Station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground, your weekly look at what's happening on board the International Space Station. I'm Amiko Cowder. 2014 was a big year for the International Space Station as humanity's sole platform for sustained microgravity research was in high gear. More than 300 investigations were conducted by the ISS partners over the entire year. This amounted to expedition crews spending a whopping 3,575 hours just doing research. That's almost 150 full days' work. The Expedition 40 crew even set a new record by racking up 82 research hours in a single week back in July. You can learn more about off-the-Earth science by visiting nasa.gov/ISS-science. With all that time devoted to research, the men and women on board the International Space Station had to make sure they had time for the flurry of visiting vehicles and spacewalks that took place. In all, the ISS saw 9 unmanned cargo craft visit in 2014, 4 Russian Progress ships, 2 SpaceX Dragons, 2 orbital Cygnuses, and the final flight of Europe's automated transfer vehicle. 4 Russian Soyuz craft arrived over the year, each bringing 3 new crew members. And those ISS residents were very busy, with 11 different astronauts and cosmonauts completing 7 spacewalks to perform repairs and prepare the station for some upcoming upgrades. 2015 is already shaping up to be another big year, with 3 U.S. spacewalks planned in the first 2 months and a slew of vehicles scheduled to launch. It will also be the year of an important first as NASA and Roscosmos get ready to launch the very first one-year crew. NASA astronaut Scott Kelly and Russian cosmonaut Mikhail Kornienko will launch in March to spend a full year on board the ISS. Their mission will help us continue to prepare to send astronauts on deep space exploration missions, which will be several years in length. As always, we want to hear from you. Keep sending your questions and comments using the hashtag #SpaceToGround.